You know what drives me insane about affiliate marketing? All of these gurus showing you the wrong way to do affiliate marketing. The complete wrong way to do affiliate marketing. And if you can stick with me for just a few minutes. Hey everybody, Austin Becker here, and in today's video, I want to go over the right way to do affiliate marketing. And what I mean the right way, there's so many videos out there on YouTube, some great content that shows you the basics of affiliate marketing. However, a lot of these videos don't show you the most accurate way to build a long-term business. Yes, they can be great for beginners. Yes, you can see success and start earning those commissions. However, the problem is you never actually build a valuable business. You never acquire any true assets. And what I mean by this is a lot of them just tell you that you can market a product and get commissions without ever building an email list, without ever having a website, without ever having to do anything like that. And whenever that is true, it is not the best way to do it. So I'm going to go over the top 3 steps of what you need to do in your affiliate marketing business, no matter what you're promoting, whether it's a ClickBank product, whether it's a software product, whether it's any product on Amazon, any product whatsoever. The top 3 things you need to do. That leaves me with step number 1. You need to pick a niche with multiple products. A lot of people like to tell you that you could just promote one product. And the problem with promoting one product is your audience may not want that product. If you have a niche with multiple products, so hypothetically, you come in, I show you a product, and that product doesn't interest you, but it's in a niche that does interest you, and all of a sudden, I lost you as a customer. Well, if I was to promote you a product multiple times or show you different multiple products, eventually one of those products will relate to you and you may purchase and become a customer. And the way to do that is going to be through building an email list. So picking a niche with multiple products is step number 1. And the top 3 niches in the industry that have this always is going to be health, wealth, and relationships. Because people will spend a lot of money on taking care of their health. To generate wealth, they'll spend a lot of money. And in long term, to have a better relationship or a longer lasting relationship, that people will spend money in these 3 niches and they'll spend a lot of it. And you'll never go hungry for products. There are so many products out there. So once you pick a niche, make sure you pick multiple products in your pipeline in case somebody asks, hey, do you have something that does this? Hypothetically, if you're in the weight loss industry and they want a workout plan, but they don't want, say you're promoting exercises with weights. Well, maybe they want to exercise without weights. So they want an aesthetic, calisthenic workout plan. Well, now you can promote that if you have it in your pipeline or in your product list. So that brings me to step number 2, and that is to never directly link to a sales page. So like if you're promoting ClickBank, if you're promoting a product, a lot of beginners will just take the link that is their affiliate link and spam it all over the place and hope people go purchase the product and they get a commission. And the problem with this is you never really build an audience pool. You never build an email list. You never build that to where you can own it forever and continue to market for the rest of your life and obviously have a more passive business. Because once you have that email list, it's yours forever. It doesn't go away. You never lose the traffic. You don't have to worry about pixels. You don't have to worry about algorithms. You don't have to worry about anything ever changing and you losing that email list. It is yours forever. So that leads me to step number 3, and that is to email your list regularly. You need to constantly be emailing your list. If they don't want to be there, then they can unsubscribe. However, most of them won't. So just keep emailing them, show them the same product, show them benefits of products. And then if you have multiple products in your niche, you can promote multiple products to them, making them a long-time customer for the rest of your life. So that is the very basics and the very most important things to affiliate marketing that most people say you don't need. And in reality, you really do need those. So if that makes sense to you and you really think that, okay, I understand, but how do I implement all these strategies, Austin? Well, I would like to tell you, just subscribe to this channel where we upload free videos for you every week. We'll be uploading content all about affiliate marketing, how you could do this, how you could build your funnels, how you could build your audience, your email list, how you use this, how you integrate everything, how do you drive traffic. And so just go ahead and again, subscribe. It's not going to hurt anybody. And then if you are like, okay, well, I want to expedite the process. I want to speed this up. I really want to get in now. How can I get started today? Well, then I want to invite you to click the link below in the bio. Yeah, you can see it right there in the bio. Click that link. That link will let you clone my exact business model. I'm not saying it will give you success. I want to be very transparent. I can't guarantee your success, but I can guarantee that it is what I use to get my success. This is the business model I use. It's my funnel that I use. It's my email scripts. It's my email software that I use. So if you want to use what I'm using and do exactly what I'm doing to see success, just imagine if I have seen success with it and you have seen zero success whatsoever. And if you could fall somewhere in between my success and where you're at, a complete beginner, using my strategies, then that's a win. Just imagine being able to get your first commission. I can't twist your arm, but I can invite you to click that link below, and I'll see you on the inside.